Hi guys, so today is Tuesday, March 31st. Our daily decision making for the day. We're going to read about Karen and circle the good social skills that Karen uses. Karen is very polite. She always listens to people when they are talking to her. She waits her turn to talk. She always talks to others about things they are interested in. So Karen is polite. She listens when people are talking. She waits to talk until everybody else is done talking. And she always likes to talk to others about things they are interested in, not just what she likes. So you're going to circle the good social skills. Our first choice is nice and polite, rude, does not listen, listens to others, interested in others, and takes turn. So you'll log into problem solving on Canvas and submit your answers. Have a good day, you guys.